Hello and welcome to DNN, the GPS Gateway for the Bar News Network. We are so thrilled to have you with us today as we bring you the most exciting, inspiring, and memorable moments from an incredible school community.
That's right, from national level champions to budding artists, from young scientists to creative storytellers. The second fortnight of May has been nothing short of spectacular. So sit back, stay tuned, and let's dive right in.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. We begin with a moment of immense pride. GPS Gates of Hyderabad applauds the outstanding performance of a Class 12 dipsites in the CBSE Board Examination 2026.
Their dedication, perseverance, and consistent hard work have brought laurels to entire school community. Congratulations to our exceptional achievers for setting new benchmarks of excellence and inspiring every learner to dream bigger and reach higher.
Music is the language of the soul, and as Cyber Crew speaks it fluently. The IT Club of DPS Greater Faridabad successfully conducted the second episode of its Bandla workshop on May 13, 2026.
Dipset mentors Manas Gakkar and Pratish Khatri of class 11th A4 led an engaging hands-on session focused on building a complete music project from scratch. Participants explored tempo adjustment, track layering, sound balancing, effects, and transition, everything that goes into professional music production.
This session was a brilliant blend of technology and creativity, empowering young creators to explore the world of digital music. Stay tuned for even more exciting episodes.
Leadership begins with a vote. The school successfully conducted its student council elections for the academic session 2026-27 from May 11 to 13, 2026, with dipset of classes 6 to 12 actively participating in the democratic process.
A well-organized polling setup with EVM machines was established in the ATL lab, formally inaugurated by Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma, Headmistress Ms. Sanjana Mahajan, and Senior Wing Coordinator Ms. Neha Pandey. The enthusiastic participation reflected our dipsite's sense of responsibility and commitment to shaping their school community. A scoop of learning, a sprinkle of creativity, and a generous topping of joy, our Cambridge learners stepped out for an experiential learning visit to Snowberry, the dessert lounge, on May 15, 2026.
Their little ones watched in amazement as milk and cream transformed into creamy ice cream and were even invited to stir the mixture themselves. From fresh mangoes and strawberries to chocolate chips and colorful sprinkles, every dipsite designed their very own unique creation.
In a truly heartwarming celebration, Special Olympics Bharat honored the incredible mothers of special athletes on Mother's Day in Delhi. Adding a beautiful touch was a soulful performance by Chayanit, The Chosen Ones, India's first neurodivergent band.
A proud moment for DPS Greater Faridabad. Our very own Yamini performed as India's first female singer in the neurodivergent band, inspiring countless hearts with her voice, spirit, and confidence.
In Play is the foundation of discovery. On May 14, 2026, Class Balbati Kawat organized an exciting activity, Fastest Fit in First Puzzle Fun, designed to spark curiosity and sharpen young minds.
Dipsites worked with colorful puzzles themed around fruits, vegetables, and transport, racing to complete them in a set time. Brace yourselves for a thrilling one. Kiara Modi of Class 10th F and Divina Khanna of Class 10th I delivered a gripping storytelling presentation titled My Paranormal Experience, set during a mysterious trip to Rajasthan.
From an unusual hotel waiter to haunted places, mysterious figures in the dark, and a sudden power cut, the duo kept their audience on the edge of their seats. The presentation was a wonderful showcase of imagination, creativity, and confident storytelling.
Books are not merely pages bound together, they are the gateways to imagination, wisdom, and endless possibilities. DPS Greater Faridabad proudly organized the prestigious I Read, I Lead award ceremony welcoming esteemed author and editor Anita Mani as chief guest.
The ceremony featured an inspiring address by Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma, a beautiful poem recitation by Samni, and a journey through the program's remarkable growth since 2013. Young readers were felicitated for their love of books, and Anita Mani's engaging author session, complete with word quizzes and a podcast discussion, left everyone inspired.
Art has the power to spark conversations, and a Class 7 dip sites proved exactly that. The Inter-House Graffiti competition brought the theme current social issues to life through vibrant, impactful artwork.
The results were first position Satluj House, second position Janab House, and third position Ganges House.
Grandparents preserve values and traditions through the timeless art of storytelling. On May 15, 2026, DBS Greater Faridabad organized a very special session for Class 2 dip sites. Grandparents walked into classrooms and filled them with warmth, wisdom, and wonderful stories.
From the tales of the Ramayana and Akbar Birbal to classics like The Lion and the Mouse, each story carried a timeless lesson. The dip sites listened with wide eyes and full hearts, making it a truly unforgettable experience for all.
Patriotism was in the air on May 16, 2026. The morning assembly themed 150 years of Vande Mataram was presented by dip sites of classes 7th H and 7th I with great energy and pride.
The program began with the Gayatri Mantra, followed by a melodious recitation of Vande Mataram and a vibrant patriotic dance performance. Olympiad achievers were felicitated with medals and certificates, and Headmistress Ms. Sanjana Mahajan inspired dip sites to become responsible citizens who uphold unity and integrity.
Self-awareness is the first step to greatness. Dip sites of grade 3, 4 and 5 participated in engaging life skill activities centered on self-awareness, self-reflection and self-appreciation.
Through creative activities like Things I Like About Myself, My Identity Card and My Identity Collage, dip sites explored their strengths, emotions and personal goals. Another stellar storytelling session graced the school library on May 18, 2026. R.V. Jha of class 5th A captivated dip sites of classes 3 to 5th with a remarkable story titled Rinky the Kind Doctor.
Through dramatic voice modulation and confident delivery, R.V. narrated Rinky's inspiring journey from a brave, kind girl to a senior doctor who stood up for honesty and respect. The session concluded with a round of applause with the reminder, good story teaches what 100 instructions cannot.
Creativity, collaboration, confidence. The first day of Honor 2.0, the Skill Development Program, launched on May 21, 2026, with dip sites of classes 6 to 8 diving into a series of vibrant experiential activities.
From nature walks in the Aravali Hills and self-defense sessions under Strike Smart to the high-energy dancing to Zumba fitness sessions and hands-on creative workshops like Crafty Jute and Wick and Wax. Day 1 was a beautiful blend of skill, joy and exploration.
The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Our dip sites has the extraordinary opportunity to attend a masterclass on India's upcoming human space flight mission, Gaganyaan, conducted by Space India at the American Center, New Delhi.
From astronaut training and mission plan to the complexities of space exploration, the session ignited curiosity, innovation, and scientific thinking among our dip sites.
Empowering the teachers is empowering the future. A comprehensive workshop on exploring the Montessori philosophy, materials, and classroom practices was conducted on May 21, 2026 for teachers of Montessori to Balvatika 3.
Facilitated by Ms. Juhi Gulyani and Ms. Ritu Tanwar, the session covered experiential learning, sensorial activities, phonetic awareness, and child-friendly teaching techniques. Headmistress Ms. Ritu Jain appreciated the workshop's focus on nurturing independence, patience, and holistic development in young leaders.
Summer arrived in full color at DPS Greater Faridabad. Our dip site celebrated Summer Wonderland with laughter, fun games, dance, clap yoga, and cheerful summer vibes.
The little dipsites came dressed in bright summer attire with caps and sunglasses, explored the summer essential corner and the highlight of the day, a joyful mango treat where everyone served delicious diced mangoes together.
Pride, passion, and pure brilliance. GPS Gator Faridabad celebrates two remarkable national level achievements. Yuvraj Singh of Class 12 won the prestigious Jagran Josh Young Influencer Award, while Prajesh Khatri of Class 11 clinched the Most Innovative Use of Robotics Award.
The event was graced by Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan and senior CBSE leaders. Their achievements are a true reflection of creativity and spirit of excellence nurtured at DPS Greater Faridabad. We couldn't be prouder.
The votes are counted and the leaders have been chosen. The results of Student Council Election 2026-27 were formally declared in a special ceremony at the seminar hall, presided over by Principal Dr. Bindu Sharma, Headmistress Ms. Ritu Jain, and Senior Wing Coordinator Ms. Neha Pandey.
Congratulations to all newly elected council members. As our school leaders reminded them, led by example, uphold our values, work together for the betterment of our school community.
Smooth operation Make Great Schools Run. On May 22, 2026, a comprehensive teacher work training session on the school ERP system was conducted for teachers by Ms. Priyanka Jangir from the ERP team.
From uploading documents and assigning homework to managing marks and generating results, teachers are now fully equipped to use the ERP portal efficiently, a step forward in making our school's academic and administrative processes even more seamless.
Before the summer vacation bells rang, Class 4 dipsites had one final blast. Playtopia was a day filled with thrilling games, teamwork, and the joyful spirit of childhood, featuring pass the hoop, tunnel race, parachute fun, sugar football, and the ever exciting spoon and egg race.
It was a day of big smiles, loud cheers, and beautiful memories that the young dipsites will carry them through the holidays and beyond.
We saved the best for last, and this one is truly extraordinary. Swanik Goyal of Class 10 DPS Greater Faridabad has been selected to represent India at the 26th Asian Physics Olympiad 2026 in Busan, South Korea.
Swanik is one of only 8 students chosen for Team India and notably one of only 2 Class 10 students in the national contingent. He earned a gold medal at the OCSC camp at HPCSC Mumbai and has now become only the second Class 10 student in India's history to qualify for the Asian Physics Olympiad. And now the moment we know you've all been waiting for. It's time to shine the spotlight on our incredible dipsites who have made DPS Greater Faridabad proud on every stage, field and arena this fortnight.
First up, Taekwondo at the Faridabad District Taekwondo Championship 2026. Vihan Arora of Class 9 and Mayank Tayama of Class 12 each clinched a gold medal in their respective categories. Risha Panwar of Class 10 won a silver medal, while Rishan Narvat of Class 8 and Dhruv Bhardwaj of Class 10 each bagged a bronze, a stunning haul for a young warriors.
Next, Yogasan at the WFFYS Haryana State Yogasan Sports Championship 2026. Dhruv Bangla of Class 11 secured a bronze medal in the star category and at the 6th Faridabad District Yogasan Sports Championship on May 16 and 17. Mishika Makkar of Class 6C secured 3rd position in the 10 to 12 years category and has also been selected for the state level championship. Naisha Grover of Class 3rd A came 6th in the 8 to 10 years category and Kunal Yadav of Class 8A secured 5th position in the 14 to 16 years category.
On to the badminton court at the Manav Rashna Badminton Championship 2026. Kushagra Gandhi, Ranak Gandhi, Anna Sharma and Adav Narora, all from classes 10 and 12, won the under 17 boys category, smashing champions every one of them.
And it wasn't just badminton at the Manav Rachna. Kanav Khandelwal, Kian Agarwal, and Madhav Sethi of class 5th clinched the under 10 boys category at the Manav Rachna Table Tennis Championship 2026 at the same event.
On the mat and in the ring, Advik Saxena of Class 6 secured a gold medal at the India Open International Karate Championship Series 2 held at the Talkatoora Indoor Stadium, New Delhi.
Now on wheels, Siona Sambli of class 6 is on roll literally. She secured second position in the 10 km marathon at Run on Wheels 4.0 in Agra on May 10th and then went on a win to gold medal in the first lap road race at the 11th National Ranking Speed Skating Tournament 2026 in Noida.
In the pool, Sanvi Verma of Class 11 made a massive splash at the Swimming Championship 2026. She won 3 gold medals in 50 meter, 100 meter and 200 meter breaststroke at the District Swimming Championship on May 18 and then added 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal at the Haryana Senior State Swimming Championship.
And finally, innovation team Varun Mitra, Gokaran Suri of class 10 and Raghav Agarwal of class 12 secured second position at the prestigious Stockholm Junior Water Prize 2026 and have been recognized as national water champions at IIT Madras.
Adding to the innovation story, Team Behra has made it to the top 10 nationally in the Syrian Future Entrepreneur Competition by the Sol Sistemela Foundation, outshining entries from 186 schools across 26 states. The team includes Jinisha Jain, Samat Agarwal, Gokaran Suri of Class 10, Anya Agarwal of Class 11, Adarsh Raz of Class 9 and Siraj Chadda of Class 10.
From swimming pools to karate mats, from skating rinks to national innovation stages, DPS Greater Faridabad never stops shining. And that's a wrap on another action-packed fortnight here at DPS Greater Faridabad. From scientific triumphs to artistic brilliance, from heartfelt stories to national accolades, every day at a school, a story is worth telling.
Stay tuned for even more exciting updates, and as always, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making a difference. I, Ivana,
And I, Heather,
signing off. Until next time, this is DNN, DPS Greater Faridabad News Network.